Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Pokémon Trading Card Game Scarlet and Violet. To begin, each player needs a 60-card deck. The main goal is to take 6 prize cards before your opponent does. First, shuffle your deck and place it face down. Then, draw 7 cards for your starting hand and place 1 basic Pokémon as your active Pokémon. During your turn, you always start by drawing 1 card from your deck. Next, you can attach 1 energy card from your hand to one of your Pokémon. You may play any number of item cards and 1 supporter card. You can also use a Pokémon's ability once per turn. Finally, declare an attack with your active Pokémon to conclude your turn. Pokémon can evolve, becoming stronger. A basic Pokémon can evolve into a Stage 1 and then a Stage 2 by placing the new card on top. When a Pokémon takes damage, place damage counters on it. If a Pokémon's total damage equals or exceeds its hit points, it is knocked out. Your opponent then takes 1 prize card. There are 3 main ways to win the game. The most common is by taking all 6 of your prize cards. You also win if your opponent has no Pokémon left in play, or if they cannot draw a card at the beginning of their turn. Mastering strategy, like energy management and knowing when to evolve, is key to becoming a champion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.